If the camera sticker is lost or damaged, here are some troubleshooting steps to help you obtain the device information. For some models, there is a QR code on the Quick Start Guide cover that contains device information. You can scan it with a third-party QR code scanner to get the device SN and verification code information. However, if on the cover it says, "Scan the QR code for detailed user manual," there will be no device information when you scan this QR code. Alternatively, if you have set up the device via the same mobile terminal, you can also find the device information in camera settings. About Device QR code, or in camera settings, device information on EasyViz mobile app. For additional assistance, feel free to contact support team by emailing at support@isvizlife.com. Our team love to help.